Want a fancy carrot side dish at your next dinner party? Here's how you do it. You get a bunch of carrots and you chop them into small segments. I like to leave some of the green parts on. It just makes it look a little bit fancier. Cut them like this. Place them on a parchment lined baking tray. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on them. Be super careful when cutting the carrots. Don't want to cut yourself like my husband does sometimes. Put them on here. I'll add these in just a moment just so I can speed this up for you. Here's your tablespoon of olive oil. Drizzle this on. Then we'll sprinkle a little bit of salt and some pepper. We'll get that on there, toss it up with some clean hands, and then you're going to roast this in the oven on about 425 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. I would check it at the 15 to 20 minute mark. Make sure these are all separated, that way they roast and don't steam. And then you have a wonderful side dish that's packed with vitamin A, and that's really good for your skin and your eyes. You can eat the green parts if you want to. I generally just cut them off. They're more just for looks to make them fancy.